Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is one of our videos and we are going to be talking about tables and figures in documents and presentations. So in many of the videos we have created and watched and viewed, there have been a lot of introduction to computers, basic computer knowledge, but today we shall be talking about tables and figures, or figures and tables. So an introduction about them is a definition. First of all, figures and tables are used in documents to organize information clearly and make it easier to understand. A table represents data in rows and columns, and a figure includes images, charts, programs, graphs, and diagrams, and they illustrate information visually. Now, what is a table? A table is a grid made up of rows and columns, used to display data neatly. I'm going to show you all that, but right now I'm still helping you with the definitions in case you need to understand. First going to talk, then I show as I talk with that, just so you understand better. Tables help in comparing, organizing, and summarizing information. Now we have the parts of a table. We have the rows, those are the horizontal divisions of a table. We have the columns, those are the vertical divisions of a table. And then a cell, the box formed by a row and a column intersection. A table border, the outer inner lines that outline cells. Now how to insert a table? We shall first go to the ones for MS Word, then I also take you to the Excel. So you go to MS Word, go to the MS Word first. So go to a blank document, so to insert the fresh document. Then we come, you go to the insert tab. Insert tab is right here. When you insert tab, you click table. Then choose the number of rows and columns. Then you type your data inside the cells. So these are the rows going, these are the columns going downwards, those are the verticals, and then the rows are 3, the columns are 3. Then you come to this side, creating the columns. Sorry about this other mistake here. So here it's a little disorganized, but we created the rows. These are the columns, the 4 columns. Then the rows are the ones in the horizontal. We have how many columns? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 columns. Then we have the rows here, the horizontal. We have 4 rows. And then you can put in your data in the cells. These are the cells, the intersections between the rows and the columns. We have the first cell is 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are the small squares and rectangles formed by the intersections between the rows and the columns. Then for the Microsoft PowerPoint, you can go back and save this. For PowerPoint, we also have how we can create you can insert the tables. So you can come here, PowerPoint, then you click on blank presentation, then you go to the insert tab, then you click on table. Literally the same procedure, and choose how many rows and columns you want to enter. Shall do the same here. See, here we have formed a table, include with the rows. As I said, the vertical ones are the columns, then the horizontal ones are the rows. So how many columns do we have here? We have 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then the rows, we have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Then you enter your data according to how you want it to be. Yeah. Then the formatting of the tables. We have you can be able to add or remove the borders like this. Yeah. You can be able to remove or add the borders. You can be able to change the cell color. For example, you can use this color and change the cell color. You can be able to merge or split the cells. Yeah. Then also adjust column with a row height and apply table styles design tab. Yeah. And then that's it for the tables. Then for the figures, to start with, we shall define a figure. A figure is any illustration such as a chart, picture, graph, or diagram that helps to explain or support information in a document or presentation. Yeah. We have the types of figures. We have the pictures, the graphs, the shapes, the diagrams. For example, here we have insert. When you go to the insert tab, you can have the pictures you can insert in your table or in your document. You can click from our album, pick any photo from your album, new photo album, you can pick from there. Then you can go to shapes. You have various shapes you can insert as a part of the figures. Yeah. And then you can also have the screenshots. The screenshots are just right here. Anything that you've taken a screenshot of, you can also put it in your document. And now, how to insert a figure. For MS Word or Microsoft Word, you can come here. You can first go and open our Microsoft Word again. Open your Microsoft Word. Click on open blank document. And then you go to the insert tab. So going to the insert tab, you can choose the following. You have pictures, you have tables, you have shapes. Okay, pictures, shapes, icons, and smart art. A lot you can insert. Yeah. If you want to insert let me say a shape in your document. Yeah. Just click here. You can click your insert any shape. I can choose to insert this. Yeah. Then you come and draw it like so. Then you've already inserted your shape, isn't it? Then you can also click on smart art. Let's go back to our smart art is here. You can click on that. To click on smart art, you can choose any way you want to, like you want it to be. I've clicked on that. Then you can press OK. Yeah. See, this depends on which data you're trying to present. Sorry about that. Like now here in text 1, you can decide to put anything within that text. You can, for text 1, you can write anything like family. That is it for the one of those boxes or squares. And then you can also, that is it for inserting the smart art. You can go back to insert. You can insert a chart in your document. Yeah. And then now formatting of the figures, you can change the size or rotation or picture styles and captions. So that is just something small about an introduction to figures and tables in your documents. Yeah. You insert a table, you insert the figures, everything is just basically in the insert tab for both PowerPoint and Microsoft Word. Till next time, thank you. Please don't forget to comment, subscribe, and like.